Welcome back to SRC.
It's Color Week.
And today we are reading Polar Bear and the Rainbow, written by Moira Butterfield.
And we'll be making egg carton flowers, so tune in.
Hey guys, today we are reading Polar Bear and the Rainbow, which is written by Moira Butterfield and illustrated by Sandra Resick, and it is published by Paragon Books. If you would like to listen to Polar Bear and the Rainbow, click the link in the description below.
Today we'll be making egg carton flowers.
For this craft, you will need an empty egg carton, a pair of scissors, a hot glue gun, a pom-pom and a straw, something to put your paint in and something to paint with, and some paints. To start, you're going to want to cut around 4 egg slots and trim away as much excess cardboard as possible. Now you finish cutting, it's time to choose your colors of paint. Once you've chosen which colors you'd like, just go ahead and paint the whole inside a variety of colors. Once you've finished painting, put it aside to dry. Now our egg carton is dry, we're going to hot glue gun a pom-pom to the center of the flower. Lastly, we're going to hot glue gun our straw to the back of the flower to make the stem. And this is our finished flower.